Hello and welcome to our .it school new video tutorial. I'm Shajan. Today I will show you how to create a photography signature logo design using Photoshop. Now see here, this is an attractive and amazing photography signature logo. Now see this. Now I am going to show how to create this. Now if you are new, please hit the subscribe button, and already you are subscribed, thank you so much. At first go to Google and then search default and go to default website, and after this then you will click script handwritten, and after this you will go to free page, and you will see here Helios font, and after see this you will click download. After completing download, then you will go to your downloaded location, then you will click extract file and OK, and you will go to your downloaded and extracted file, then we will click here and install. So after install, then you will go to your software, Photoshop software, and after this you will go to file and open a new image. So I will choose a image from here, so I'll choose this image, and after this I will open this image, and after open this I will go to quick selection tool and select here. So after selection this image, and then you will click select and invert this command, and after this you will go to filter and then blur and Gaussian blur. So you will choose a slight blur on this image, so click OK. So after this you will deselect and click type tool, and after this you will click here and write, if you want any name or any signature, then you will write this. So I'm already typed this, and I will go to character. If you do not show here this character, then you will go to window and then you will click here character, then you will go to character, then you will select here and then you will write this. Helios regular, and you will select any color from here, then we will click OK, and after this you will select bold if you want or not. So already I have completed, and then I will click photography. Now I will select this letter font, regular font I'll choose, and then I will select already have done, and I will go to line to drag a line here. So I will go to line and select a line and then drag a line here, and after this I will choose a color this line. Now I am click here and select a color from here and OK this, and I will select this all and I will align. I will already have done a amazing photography signature. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel to get more step by step new video tutorial. Okay, thank you.